Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive deep into company secrets, and oh boy do we have a gem today. We're looking at DT Cloudstar Acquisition Corporation and their latest filings. This is not just any corporate report, it's a peek behind the curtain of a company making some interesting moves. Let's get straight to it. This filing is all about a change in leadership and what that might mean for the company. It is a pretty standard report, but sometimes the most interesting stories are hidden in the details. Before we jump in, if you are new here, do us a favor and subscribe. We break down these dense corporate documents into plain English so you can understand what is really going on. And hey, if you want to connect with other finance enthusiasts, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. So our company today is DT Cloudstar Acquisition Corporation. They operate in the world of special purpose acquisition companies, or SPACs. These companies are essentially shell companies created to raise money through an initial public offering to buy an existing company. This report details a new director joining their board. We're talking about the appointment of Dr. Shun-Yong Jo as a new director. Dr. Jo is 50 years old and brings over 6 years of experience in biotechnology and health innovation. His research focuses on enzyme-based theories for various products from food to cosmetics and even tea, and he holds a significant number of patents, over 20 to be exact. He is considered a pioneer in biotechnology and digital health. Dr. Jo has been a director at Huakang Biomedical Holdings Company Limited since November of 2025. Before that, starting in January of 2023, he has been leading advancements at Nanjing Holding Group Company Limited, where he is the chairman. There he has been combining expertise in healthcare generative pre-training transformers, which is a type of artificial intelligence, with enzyme therapy to create new health solutions. He also oversees Changsha Kerong Health Technology Company Limited. This company has built a health service team with experts in medicine products and services. They focus on AI-enhanced health education, consultation, and management services. From March 2019 to January 2023, Dr. Jo was chairman at Zhenjian Suqian Biotechnology Company Limited. Academically, Dr. Jo has quite a background. He earned his bachelor's degree in business administration from Tianjin University in China in 2002. Then he got a master's degree in laws from Fudan University in China in 2011. After that, he completed his doctorate in business administration from Université Née Sophia Antipolis in France in 2016. Currently, he holds honorary chairman positions, including one at the Vaccine and Immune Health branch of the Liaoning Immunology Society, and he is a member of the National Enzyme Engineering and Fermentation Engineering Professional Committee. This shows a deep involvement in scientific and health-related fields. This entire filing is made with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, which is the government body that oversees the stock market in the United States. Companies like this have to report important events to them so investors can stay informed. This specific document is a Form 8. Think of it as an important announcement report. Companies file it when something significant happens that shareholders should know about right away, like a major executive change or a new director appointment. The company's main trading symbols include DTSQ for their units, DTSQ for ordinary shares, and DTSQR for rights. These are how their stocks and related securities are identified on the stock exchange. All of these securities are traded on the Nasdaq Stock Market, LLC, a major global stock exchange known for its technology-focused listings. DT Cloudstar Acquisition Corporation is identified as an emerging growth company. This status gives them certain regulatory advantages and allows them to delay adopting new accounting standards for a period of time. This means they might not be following the latest financial reporting rules as strictly as larger, more established companies. Yet, the main point of this filing under Item 5.02 is to inform everyone about the election of new directors and the appointment of certain officers. It specifically details Dr. Jo's addition to the board. So what does this all mean? A SPAC like DT Cloudstar typically exists to merge with or acquire another company. Bringing on a director with Dr. Jo's extensive background in biotech and innovation suggests a potential direction for future acquisitions or strategic partnerships. His expertise in enzyme theory and advanced health solutions could point towards the company looking to expand into the healthcare or biotechnology sectors. This is where the story gets interesting. SPACs are essentially blank checks, and the board composition is a key indicator of where that check might be cashed. Dr. Jo's impressive resume hints at a strategic focus, possibly aiming for a company that can leverage his scientific and entrepreneurial experience. It signals a move towards a more defined business strategy rather than just being a passive investment vehicle. We will have to keep an eye on this company to see what kind of business they decide to target or merge with given his background. Now, this report doesn't include financial tables for the current period. It is more focused on a specific event, the board appointment. So, We can't do a deep financial dive into revenue or profit numbers today. Usually in a 10K or 10Q, we'd be looking at those numbers. But this 8K tells us about the people who are making the decisions. A director like Dr. Joe, with his background, could significantly shape the company's future investments and growth strategy. The risk here is always with SPACs in general. They have a limited time to find a target company. If they don't, the money raised might be returned to investors. The opportunity lies in whether they can successfully identify and merge with a promising company, and Dr. Joe's appointment might be a step in that direction, looking at this filing. The company is telling us they are bringing in someone with a very specific and relevant skill set for the current market trends, particularly in health and biotech. This isn't just a random appointment, it is a signal, a strong signal about potential future ventures. For investors, this means keeping a close watch on DT Cloudstar's next steps. Will they announce a merger or acquisition soon? And will it align with Dr. Joe's expertise? It is a calculated move and we will be watching closely to see how it plays out. Alright, that is our breakdown of DT Cloudstar Acquisition Corporation's latest filing. What is your take on this new director appointment and what it might mean for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.